Hello YouTube. So today we're going to be unboxing and I'm going to be giving you a review on the new Amazon Basics lightning cable. It's actually a charger for the iPhones and the Apple users. So I have ordered the 6 feet one, which is 1.8 meter. There was another variant available for 3 feet, which was which was 0.5 or something meter. So let's open it up and see. So it's just a simple latch here. We're just gonna open it up. Okay, simple as it is, very simple. Yeah, and I ordered the gold color because I liked it. So let me just open it up and show you guys. Let's see it. So I have my stopwatch right here. I'm gonna start it once I plug it in. Okay guys, so I just started the timer. As you can see, it's plugged in and I just started it. It's been 12 seconds. My iPad already had 22% charge. So let's see how much it charges. So hey guys, it's been like 8.5 minutes. Sorry, I missed the 5-minute mark. And let me check how much it has charged. Okay, that's 26%. I'm not sure if you were able to see that. That's 26 seconds. Now, that's actually not so bad for an iPad, you know, because it was 22 before, so 4% in 8 minutes. Not that bad though. So, that's the Amazon Basics charger. I mean, it could be faster, but the build quality and stuff, as you can see, the threaded material is quite strong and nice, which will make it last longer, I'm sure. And there are many colors available and 2 size variants, which is the 3 meter and the 6 meter. Let me just stop this. And I hope you like this video, friends. And if you do, please like and subscribe. And if you don't, please like and subscribe. Thank you.